Hello, I'm Lesley Logan. Today I want to show you how you can use your Wunda chair to like it's a high chair. So you don't have to get a high chair, Wunda chair combo. If you have a reformer box, you actually can just use a regular Wunda chair, and it really does make it easier to just use around your studio or your house. So what you do is you put the box against the wall, and then you can see I only made enough room for my seat, so however much room your seat needs. Then your heels go together, toes apart on the pedal, one top and bottom spring, and you press down and up, just like you would on a high chair, or if you're doing this on the Wunda chair, but I get the feedback of the box. I put this exercise on the flashcards for onlinepilatesclasses.com because I really wanted people to see that you can use your Wunda chair like a high chair. You can get the same feedback you get from pumping, right? So pumping would just be a little faster, and I can feel that my lower back wants to leave this box. So the more I pull my center in with the help of the springs, the more I'm using the box to find that tall back. If you don't have our flashcards yet, no problem. You can get them at onlinepilatesclasses.com. But what you want to do is you can do footwork, toes, arches, and heels. You can even do the single leg, right? But just make sure that you're using the box to get nice and tall. And then come over to onlinepilatesclasses.com where we do life better.